Five things that can break condom.
It's me again, your one and only better base reporter, Biye Fadia. As you can see, I am not alone. I am here with a
It's one thing that yeah, like every time you mention your full name.
That's what I'm used to. That's what I'm used to.
I get you have to be proud of your father's name.
And now that's carried name. It's not easy. It's not easy to be a Fadia. You know what it means.
What does Fadia mean when you convert it from Yoruba to English?
We are not going there. We are not going there. I know where you are going to. We are not going there. Yes, I am with the one and only DAPS. I would love to say your, what do you call it? Is it your hype?
I'm a Grammy-winning presenter.
I know. Where you are all day?
You did my house.
You did your house.
You're
supposed to bring a concon showcase now.
I need to carry Grammy.
Okay, so I just want you to quickly do your, is it your hype? That thing you always say, my DAPS, I'm a ghost, I'm not a ghost, can you come? Okay,
so any girl watching this right now, I would like to tell you that please do fall in love with what I'm about to do right now. You can text me on Instagram at DAPS.
Come, hey, stop. I didn't ask back. Come, what you say?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, they call me the superstar. DAPS. I'm the host with the most. I'm not a ghost. Get ready, you know.
Well, you're talking like say you get pneumonia. Like,
no, it's just that I'm also a voiceover artist. I feel like I'm saying myself.
You don't do that too much for you. This is not an please don't mind him. Yeah, so I just wanted to give a brief introduction about how the people want to know you. I already know you, but the people. You're already too proud. I don't understand. This is why I don't want to call you in the first place. You are too proud.
I'm not proud.
The people want to know you. Please let us know you.
Okay, so my name is Adidapo Daps. But if you see my road, call me Daps. But if you call me Adidapo, just be like, well, it's only babes with subtle voice that call me Adidapo.
Adidapo.
It's cute like that. Adidapo. But people call me Daps. I'm a presenter, TV host, hype man, event MC. I think I'm working on being a producer right now, and yes, voiceover artist. Anything entertainment, I think I can do it. But I'm not the definition of jack of all, whatever.
No, but I remember there was one time, yes, during the lockdown, you ventured into music. I'm a superstar. I'm a superstar.
Yeah.
Wait, what brought about that? What caused that actually?
If I'm to be very realistic, because it's your show, I would have not given anybody this exclusive. But I was in a relationship. A lot of people think I'm not in a relationship. I was in a relationship when I was in year 3.
Yeah.
No relationship, let me not lie. So I had this like mother's heartbreak like this. So
now every musician.
That was not the reason. Because I had this mother's heartbreak like this, and I'm this kind of person that I build myself around people so much. Like if I build myself around you, I know that whatever I'm doing it around you, and I factor you into my plans.
Okay.
You get so I was that kind of person, built my plans around somebody. Then all of a sudden it happened, and I was not the one that messed up. You think I messed up? So I built my plans around somebody, and all of a sudden it happened. Then I was just chill, and I just got this new phone because my phone spoiled into was a reason for the whole failed relationship. So I just had a phone, and I was just dropping a couple of stuff, keeping myself busy. I was bored. You know how the lockdown was for
Yeah.
Then I had DJ Jexy on my song. I had Paul on my song. Well, that song is really though. If I record that song, fire.
Okay, we are waiting for you to record it.
I have a track, but I've not just released it.
Okay. We are patiently waiting. When should we be expecting something?
Most times I don't have a release date for my stuff. If I'm just in the mood, I'll really drop it.
So now as the spirit leads, just they come drop, run back.
Vibes on vibe. I like our stuff.
We are now. Before you go, we just want to play this quick game. Yeah, you have to answer 10 questions.
I don't play games.
No, you are going to play game today. You have to answer 10 questions in 10 seconds. Don't worry, they are not difficult questions. So calm your mind, because it's not that you're looking at me as if you soon come on my teeth just now. Eh? So calm down.
The game was pass me.
Which month? No, they do like that. Okay, first question. 5 parts of a bicycle. I say the question again.
5 parts of a bicycle.
Mention 5 parts of a bicycle. Go.
I'm timed.
Yes, you are timed.
Oh, you didn't tell me now. You have to start timing.
I said in 10 seconds.
Why? I'm sure I didn't hear you start again.
Oh my God, that won't stress me. Okay. Again, listen to the question. I'm going to, from here on out, I'm going to say the question.
Nigerian bicycle or giant bicycle? Nigerian bicycle no get bell.
Bicycle na bicycle.
Oh.
Bicycle.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Are you ready? 5 parts of a bicycle. Go.
The bell, the pedal, the rim, the tire, and the seat.
Yes.
It's smart boy now.
5 things that can break.
5 things that can break.
Hold on. 5 things that can break. Go.
My heart, a vase, 5 things that can break. Condom, something that can break.
You are run out of time. God.
Condom really break.
God.
I know you're expecting that.
5 things that are sharp. Go.
Knife, scissors, screwdriver, sharp, television,
Your time has gone out. I said 5 things that are sharp. I did not say mention various brands. You just mentioned the brand.
If the TV breaks, if the screen,
No. Naturally, they are sharp.
the screen really part of the TV.
Don't frustrate me.
I'm not frustrating.
We can sue you. Start with Biye can sue you. Don't stress me. Don't stress me. I will sue you for stress.
Okay.
5 words that start with the letter Z. Go.
Zoo, zebra, Zendaya, Zikoko, zip, zoo.
Tavdu. Wait, what is Zikoko? Explain yourself.
Wait till be Zikoko. I just do free ad for Zikoko. No worries.
Explain yourself.
It's not online platform, right? I think.
And you are doing it on my own.
Sorry.
And we will sue you. We will sue you.
No.
5 things that use a battery. Go.
Camera, lights, dildo, that use battery, abi, car, and
Time up. 5 things used for cleaning. Go.
used for cleaning.
Yeah.
Broom, packer, brush, soap.
Time up.
Washing machine.
I didn't say for washing.
For clean, you know they clean clothes.
How do you clean? How do you
Clean
clean?
your clothes now. My clothes is clean.
No, your clothes is only clean after you have washed it.
After you have cleaned it.
Okay, would you say I am cleaning my clothes?
Don't let us argue.
No, would you say I am cleaning my clothes?
This is my choice. My use of English.
5 kitchen utensils. Go.
Spoon. Enter kitchen. Spoon, plates, microwave, utensils. Spoon, plate, cup.
Time up. It's a microwave.
I picture in your kitchen for my head. I can't remember what you did there.
5 female stars. Film stars. That is actresses. Go.
Funke Akindele, Beverly Naya, Beverly Osu, Omotola Jalade, and
Time up.
Tariq St. Patrick.
Oh my God. Okay, that's the final question. I want to say thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to interview. I really appreciate it.
Why you call it act like I be celeb? Which kind of opportunity we got?
See, the thing is that when I try to behave normal and act normal to you people, you will now come and be. Do you want me to be rude anyway? See, allow me to talk. I'm not even like I am not having better than this for that.
Who names themselves better than this? That's like a question that you need to go and talk about.
Ọmọ wo èdè Adédàpọ̀ tí lẹ́yìn.
So let's go so we talk better than this together.
Is it bad that I called you here now?
It's not bad, it's not bad. I want to talk about it like
I'm sorry, please, this is the end of the program. I think something earlier. This is the end of the program. This is the end of the program. Please subscribe. No, the reason I know about. You don't need to mention it. Oh, now they know I'm carrying somebody's smell into my show now. What's the meaning of that? Please subscribe, follow, share, and follow him on his Instagram page, DAPS. TikTok. Yeah, it's just like TikTok. What did you try? That's video. Facebook. On Tinder. On which other one? Follow Cut it!
Stand with Biye is proudly supported by Cityscope and Tifa Bistro.